Hey guys, so the OnePlus 12 should launch by the end of this year in China, followed by its global launch in the first quarter of 2024. So still we are 5 months away from the official launch, but OnLeaks has shared the first standards of the OnePlus 12, giving us an idea how the device might look like. OnePlus hasn't changed the rear design with same round-shaped camera module, but there is one upgrade though, which is the presence of a periscope camera on the OnePlus 12. The LED flash is placed at upper left corner of the camera module. The fan favorite alert slider along with power button can be seen on the right side, while the bottom houses a microphone, Type-C port and a speaker grill. On the front there is a curved display with minimal bezels. The punch hole cutout is located in the middle of the display, which looks good as compared to the top left corner position punch hole found in the previous generation OnePlus 11. According to rumors, the OnePlus 12 will feature a Samsung-made curved OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and probably a 120Hz refresh rate. According to DCS, the OnePlus 12 is gonna feature 150-watt fast charging speed, which is blazing fast and will charge the device within minutes. It will also support 50-watt fast wireless charging. The OnePlus 12 should be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is set to launch in the month of October this year. So we can expect the OnePlus 12 to launch in November or December this year. So that is all for this video, and what do you guys think about this OnePlus 12? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.